and welcome to our laundry lesson. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put our clothes into the laundry basket. We've gotta go over to the place where you guys keep your whites and your darks, and that's what we're gonna do now. So come with me. We are going to put our whites, kind of our light clothes, all together slowly, and we're also going to put our darks, like black clothes, gray, brown, those colors. We don't want to mix them together if we can. And look, we also have to put our laundry detergent pot. Don't forget it. Okay, so now it's time to bring the clothes to the laundry room. Me personally, I have far to go. You might just need to go all the way downstairs, but yeah, for me it's a bit more. So I put everything in my laundry basket and I head on out. Okay, so here I am. I'm at the laundry room and I'm gonna take a look around. Mine's on the 3rd floor, and I'm gonna try to find a washing machine that is empty. The ones that have the lids open, those are the ones that are empty, so it's pretty easy to identify. Alright, so let's get cracking. Okay, so here I am in the laundry room, and I got myself a laundry machine that's empty, and I'm going to start doing a dark load. So these are my blacks, blues, grays, anything, this is brown, anything that you don't want to mix with lighter clothes, because lights and darks will mix, and that's not good for you. Alright, so yeah, I'm putting them in there, and oh yeah, I forgot my detergent, so I got to get my Tide Pod, and I'm going to drop it in, and then I'm ready. I'm going to close the lid. And don't forget to press start. Okay, before you leave the laundry room, see how it says 30 minutes? Well, 29 minutes. I want you to set that timer on your phone, or when you get back to your, put it on Alexa, so Alexa can remind you. Okay, so I'm looking around, I'm thinking, I'm actually waiting. I'm waiting for Alexa to remind me that it's time to go. Oh look, there's the realization on my face. Okay, so I gotta tell Alexa to stop the timer. And then I'm doing some talking apparently. Yeah, I'm gonna walk over, don't look at my dirty kitchen. And I'm gonna look in, turn on a light. And look, there I have some Bounce fabric softener sheets. I'm going to take the whole box with me actually. I usually put 2 in the dryer, and that's all I need. So we're going to head over to the laundry room now. Okay, so looks like I'm back at the laundry room, and I'm talking. So I'm going to adjust the phone a little bit so it looks good. Alright, great. So I'm going to start by taking the dark load. I'm going to put those into the dryer. Okay? I'm going to mix them. I'm going to mix the darks and the whites. Okay? Why? Because it's like $2 to do laundry, so I don't want to have to pay that much. Alright, so putting all my darks into the dryer while staring at the camera for some reason. Do you like my Pumas? Those are my blue Pumas. Okay, I'm still doing that. Alright, next. Now I'm going to put in the whites. Okay, whites, light coloreds, it's okay, I think, to dry them together. The world's not going to end, especially for $2. They smell really fresh. I always put a great, what are those little pellets? Those little, what are they called? Anyways, it escapes me. So, put them all in there. Put in the fabric softener, don't forget. Bounce. Put any brand is good. Some people like Downy. Alright, I put in 2 because I'm worth it. Alright, and I close the door to the dryer. Alright, so it's set for 45 minutes. I put it on high heat, to get everything dry, and I'm gonna press start. Okay, now I'm gonna then go on my phone and I'm gonna ask Siri or go on Alexa, ask them to remind me to come back in 45 minutes. So I'll say, Siri, set alarm for 45 minutes, or Alexa, set alarm for 45 minutes. It's much easier for us when we do it that way. Oh, that's the alarm again. Alexa, stop alarm. So I know you set your alarm, as I did, for about 45 minutes, because that's how long the dryer was going to take. So let's head down to the dryer and take the clothes out of the dryer. Back in the laundry room 3 actually, because I'm on the 3rd floor, and I'm gonna go over to the dryer. I'm gonna open up the door, drop my laundry basket, and open up. Oh, everything looks dry. That's awesome. And oh, they smell so good. It's that April fresh scent. Oh, I can't get over it. Okay, so now it's time to go and get all of our clothes, our whites and our darks, out of the dryer. Put them all into the laundry basket. Yep, everything. Leave no clothing behind, just like the Marines. And here's something I want you to do. I want you to go into the little lint catcher and take all the lint out of it. For the next person. Take it out, throw it away, and that way, it's just a nice gesture to do for another person.
I'll be back. It's not a tumor.